notice pictures now, when I smile, it looks a lot different. It's very nice to have my teeth finally corrected and looking pretty good. Hi, I'm Tony Fago, and I received a full mouth reconstruction at Dental BLU with Dr. Arlinghaus. I decided to get the full mouth reconstruction because of lifelong problems. After I developed a relationship here at Dental BLU, I realized they had the technology and the skill to really do it right. So I started, they told me exactly what it was going to cost, how long it was going to take, and the steps, and they met that commitment. They did precisely what they told me they were going to do. The process involved IV sedation. That went really well. Once it's done, it's really remarkable and made a big difference for me. You want somebody with the capability and the technology to do it right. I know from experience, I've got 4 years with the total mouth reconstruction. I know that they have the capability to do it right.